Welcome, everyone. We always check out the AI agent store for what's new and interesting in AI.
Definitely a go-to spot.
And today, we spotted Sema4.ai. It's highlighted there, and it looks like it's aiming at something pretty significant for businesses.
Yeah, Sema4.ai, it's positioned as an enterprise AI agent platform
Okay.
designed for, building and managing autonomous agents, but specifically at enterprise scale. Think AI agent development platform.
Right, enterprise scale. That's the key bit. So let's unpack this.
What?
What's Sema4.ai really offering? And who's it actually built for?
Okay, so at its heart, it helps organizations create AI agents that can handle really complex workflows.
Complex workflows, okay.
And do it securely, transparently, integrate with what companies already have. It moves past just basic automation.
So who benefits most? Is it developers or someone else?
Well, it's interesting. The site mentions it's best for professions like business analysts, IT architects, automation engineers,
Oh, okay.
enterprise developers, even compliance officers. So it's about augmenting those knowledge workers, scaling their expertise, not just replacing clicks.
Augmenting. I like that. And it brings us to this idea of autonomy. That word gets used a lot.
It does.
Here's where it gets really interesting, right? These agents are meant to operate autonomously, tackle tasks that usually need human reasoning, collaboration.
Exactly. They can find and complete work without constant supervision. They don't need breaks.
But hang on, does autonomous mean they just run free? That sounds risky in an enterprise setting.
Right. Good question. No, it's bounded autonomy. Their operation is strictly within the defined enterprise environment, policies, rules.
Okay, guardrails.
Precisely. And what's quite revolutionary, I think, is how you manage them. Non-technical users can apparently create and manage these agents.
Really?
Through something called natural language runbooks. Basically, you instruct the AI in plain English. Seems like it. You outline the steps, the decisions, without needing deep programming skills. That helps with security and control, too.
Okay, that lowers the barrier quite a bit. So let's talk practical applications. What can these agents actually do for a business day to day?
Well, think about those big end-to-end business processes, knowledge-intensive ones.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay. Imagine processing a complex insurance claim or maybe a loan application.
Right. Lots of steps, data from different places.
Exactly. An agent could potentially pull data from various systems, check for completeness, cross-reference things, do initial checks, flag compliance issues, all autonomously.
Before a human even looks at it.
Yeah, or maybe preparing it fully for the human decision maker. It's about integrating with existing enterprise apps and data securely.
And governance is key here too, I imagine.
Absolutely. Deploying them securely, ensuring governance, and critically maintaining traceability. You need to know why the AI made a certain recommendation or took an action.
Makes sense. The site also mentions it's valuable for users leveraging containerization and API-triggered bots. What's that about?
Yeah. That just speaks to how it fits into modern IT. Containerization means the agents can be easily packaged and run consistently anywhere.
Okay.
And API-triggered means they can be activated automatically by other software or events, making them integrate really smoothly into existing automated workflows.
Got it. And technically speaking, what else should we know? Is it open source? How does it handle things like large language models, the LLMs everyone's talking about?
It's listed as closed source, which is pretty common for enterprise-focused platforms.
Right.
And yes, deep LLM integration is highlighted. That's what enables those natural language runbooks we talked about.
And makes the agents more capable in understanding and processing information.
Exactly. All wrapped up with that secure governance layer, which makes it suitable for industries like, finance, supply chain, compliance, even software development, besides general business automation.
So it really does sound like a comprehensive package for companies serious about leveraging AI agents. Not just for simple tasks, but for real, complex, enterprise-level automation with transparency built in.
Yeah, it's about giving businesses the tools to actually transform how they operate, how they use their human talent. And if you zoom out, connect it to the bigger picture, it really poses that fundamental question, doesn't it? How can organizations genuinely scale their collective human intelligence using these autonomous systems?
That's a powerful thought. Transforming operations, yes, but maybe even the nature of decision-making itself.
Could be. It's definitely something to watch.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for walking through this with me, and thank you for joining us today. We definitely encourage you to explore platforms like Sema4.ai over at AIagentstore.ai.
Good place to browse.
And if you found this useful, We'd really appreciate it if you could leave us a rating. It helps others find the program. Thanks again.